The Hear360 Encode App is a standalone software encoder that's used to mix equirectangular video and spatialized audio. You would use it to make 360-degree movies for platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, or Samsung Gear VR, for example. It can be found in the Applications folder in the Hear360 folder. First, here's some big picture perspective. We recorded a band with the Hear360 8-ball microphone and a 360-degree video rig. For the final bounce, I exported 4 stereo files for the front, left, rear, and right perspectives. Okay, so now onto the inputs, the outputs, and the options. From the audio input section, you can choose to load 4 stereo pairs, an 8-channel interleaved file, or 8 mono files. For this demo, I bounced out 4 stereo files, so let's check that box. The first output is the Hear360 iOS platform. We've provided a free app for you to upload and share high-quality 360-degree videos or VR experiences. The audio options start with a high-quality WAV file format. You can set it to any one of these lower resolutions. Maybe you want to save file size, or you want it to stream faster. We recommend keeping your video bitrate set to pass-through, but if you need to, you can choose any manual setting you want. Your video will be stereoscopic by default, but if you want to make it monoscopic, check this box here. If your camera or microphone weren't aligned properly during recording, you can use the video rotation knob to correct this. You can turn the knob to any degree value, or you can type a value in the box, or you can just double-click on the knob to reset it to 0. When you choose the Hear360 Web or Android section, you'll see that some of the settings change down below. Your only audio options here are higher or lower resolutions AAC files. For this delivery format, we'd recommend a manual setting of 15,360 kilobytes per second for your video. And again, you can choose stereoscopic or monoscopic video. And you can rotate the video in case you made a mistake while recording. Next, onto Gear VR. This format only accepts high-quality WAV files. We recommend leaving your video bitrate set to pass-through. And again, you have the same stereoscopic or monoscopic options as before. You also have the ability to rotate the video here. This next setting lets you convert audio that has been recorded with the Hear360 8-ball into the Ambix-B audio format. You can choose to export in the FUMA format, and you can also apply a corrective EQ, which is used to restore the tonal balance, which is a common problem in this kind of recording. And finally, onto the Hear360 View format. This is used to create videos for use with our Hear360 Control Player app. It allows you to view and automate 360-degree videos inside of a DAW such as Pro Tools or Reaper. Your video options are high quality, standard, or light. And you can make the video monoscopic by... So let's encode a video. I want to choose the Samsung Gear VR format, and I've already prepared 4 stereo files. Press the Load Video File button, navigate to your movie, choose your movie and open it. I've chosen the WAV audio format, pass-through for video bitrate, and I don't need any rotation. If you press the Load Audio File button and you realize you've chosen the wrong audio format or the wrong audio file, you can click on the Clear Processor button to reset. So let's get the right audio files in there. We'd suggest naming your files to include the words front, left, rear, and right to make it easier to load it into this process. Once all the files are loaded, press the Process button. It will then ask you to name and save the file, and I've hit Command D to go to the desktop. Let's check our work and make sure it opens properly. We've encoded the video, and it's now ready for use with your Samsung Gear VR. Please leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'd love to hear from you.